Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video again. I want to take a second to thank you for all the people that watched the last video. If you haven't, you can click that button right up there. I want to thank you for watching the video, and the engagement was really good. I had a lot of positive feedback, people adding to what I had to say when it comes to modifying cars in Ghana. So I'm gonna give you a list of cars to look out for whilst you're here, because the number of people that reached back out to me, they basically want to know the kind of cars that people drive in Ghana that are modified. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of cars. I don't know how many I'm going to mention because I'm literally freestyling this video. But if I have some videos of the cars as well, I will put that in the video. So as I speak, when I mention the car, I would possibly put a video of the car in the video. Please like the video, actually. Like the video and subscribe, share the video, and let's keep growing. So the first car on the list is the BMW F90 M5 owned by Kojo. So I remember the F90 M5 when it first came to Ghana. I had just then gotten to know Kojo, the owner of the car, and it was very stock. It was very stock, but it was also a very fast car, right? The F90 M5 is the S63TU with the 4.4 liter from BMW. What Kojo did with that car has never been done. Nobody has ever done that in this country, as far as I'm concerned. But the amount of money put into the car to get to where it is now, a lot of money, a lot of pains, a lot of tuning, a lot of corrections have gone into it. Because bear in mind, the car is pushing over 800-900 horsepower to the wheels. So essentially that's about 1,000 horsepower to the crank. So that's the number one on the list. Number two on the list is the 911 Turbo S built by ES Motors. So that is another fast car as well, which is about the same when it comes to the F90 M5, 800 to 1,000 wheel horsepower. And that too has a lot of money gone into it. I'll tell you what, my favorite car right now is a 911 Turbo S. Not that 911 Turbo S, but the 911 Turbo S. I believe the 911 Turbo S platform is one of the best platforms you can jump on. Even though the car is expensive, it's one of the best platforms to jump on. It's an all-rounded car. I don't know whether it's an all-rounded car for the streets of Ghana, because even with my car right now, which is very low to the ground, I struggle. So I can't imagine dailying a 911 Turbo S. Number three on the list is Lloyd's M5. You know, Lloyd has been in the Ghanaian car scene for over 10 years. And over the 10 years, he has invested so much money into his cars, because I have witnessed it myself. I knew Lloyd when he had his E60 M5. And what he was doing with that as well, nobody had done. He supercharged it, and it was just a brutally fast car. The next spot I would give to Wolf, who has the F80 M3, the red F80 M3. Now that car has been around as well for some time, and it has the works. It has upgraded turbos, it has a methanol kit, it has a flex fuel kit, like an upgraded fuel pump, and all the things that you need to do to build power. I think that car can push well over 700 horsepower on the right tune and good fueling. So that's another car to look at. We can also talk about Jesse's Golf R. Now Jesse's Golf R also has the work done to it. He got the car, I think, sometime late last year, and he's also invested a lot of money into the car to get it where it is now. It's a very beautiful Golf 7. I don't know what kind of name to give the color of the car, like the wrap, but it gives off like a chameleon look, where it shapeshifts with regards to light. So depending on how much light hits the car, It can be green, blue, purple, gray, black, pink. Like it's a lovely car, and it has an aftermarket exhaust on the car, so it's loud as how you hear all the YouTube Golf R's around, loud, obnoxious, and you hear the DSG farts. So he and Nana Kena have quite similar cars, because Nana Kena also has the blue Golf 7R, and it's modified. He has intakes, he has a downpipe, and then he has like a full exhaust. It's loud and lovely, and they've always been trying to. They are my best friends. They are my homies. The two guys, Jesse, Kenna, and myself. You see us driving, you just love it. And they've always tried to make me sell my baby to buy a Golf R, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I can do that. We also have the RS3. So Ryan's RS3 is the 5-cylinder, the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder that Audi made, and Audi have kept that engine for a good amount of time, because I feel that car can push way more power than people think. It doesn't break like that. It's a very strong engine, the 5-cylinder. So I really like the RS3. Remember at launch control, Ryan went against the Audi S8, the Talladega, which is supposed to have about 800 plus horsepower. And I don't know how much horsepower he's pushing, but I don't think he's doing over 600. He was able to take on that car and pass it. So that should tell you what the RS3 can do. The RS3 is a car that people underestimate because it's an Audi. So people don't think it's that fast. They know it's fast, but when you compare it to other ones, they just don't rate it. And then we also have Josh with his 540i. His car can deceive you by you thinking that it's just a regular 540i. Josh, I'm sorry for putting this out there, but you think it's a regular 540i, and I like the fact that it looks very stock, very OEM from the factory. But Josh will do it for you. Josh is going to make you understand that, yeah, invest in your car and go fast. It's a very fast car. As I said, as I'm speaking on these cars and I have videos, I'm going to put them in the video. Yeah, it would be very, very, very wrong of you to think it's a slow car. He will pass you. He would pass you. So yeah, guys, I don't want to make this video a very long one. These are a couple of cars in Ghana I think you should look out for. Anytime you see them at car shows, just give them a thumbs up, because they've invested so much money into their cars. There's some more people out there, but they're just not coming to mind. As I said, this video is not a structured one. It's just me speaking on certain cars right now. If I sat down to list cars, I'm pretty sure I'd have come out with a longer list. But these are some cars that I think they are worth mentioning just now. So I want to thank you for watching the video. If you feel I left some cars out, just comment down below and let the world know that Ghana is moving and growing when it comes to the car culture. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.